Number 3, if we break it down, okay, I'm going to break it down here. 12 will break down to 2 times 2 times 3. That gives you 12. A, B, B minus 14 is going to break down to a 2 times 7 times A times A times B times B times B. Now, what we want to do is find what do both pieces share. They share this 2. What else is a common factor they share? They share an A, BB, and a BB. That's all they share. So that's what's going to get factored out. A 2, an A, a BB, which is B squared. What is left behind? Well, in this front piece, we have 2 times 3, which is 6. That's all that's left behind, minus. Here's a 7, an A, and a B. So that is our answer. Now, a lot of us will just look at this and say, 12 and 14, what's the biggest thing that can be factored out? What's the biggest thing that both can be divided by? Well, that'd be a 2. A squared, so he has 1A, he has 2, so in single A is the most that can come out. B squared, B cubed, so the most that can come out is a B squared. And then we say, hey, 2AB squared times what gives me back 12AB squared? Well, 2 times 6 gives you the 12. You already pulled an A out. You already pulled both B squareds out, so there's nothing. Minus 2 times what gives me 14? 7. I pulled an A out. I had A squared. That means there was another A left behind. I have B cubed. I pulled B squared out, so a B was left behind. Either way is fine. This way here, you're probably not going to miss it. And especially if you're struggling with this, that's the way to go. All right, let's look at number 4. 5, CH. Well, there's nothing there. 7, CC, HH. So what do they share? A C, an H, and an H. So we're going to factor out a CH. What was left behind is a 5 plus 7 CHH, which is H squared. Okay, there's our answer. Most of us would probably look at this and say, hey, 5 and 7, nothing factors out. There's nothing that can divide them both. C squared, so a C can come out. He has an H. He has 3 H's, so an H can come out. Now, CH times what gives me back 5CH? A 5. CH, so then plus, you need a 7. We pulled a C out. We had a C squared, so there's a C left behind. We have H to the 3rd power. We pulled an H out, so there's an H squared left behind.